What's good, everybody? Just Rob back with another video. Got here the iPhone XS Max. That's a mouthful. I'm going to unbox it. You've probably seen 100 of these. Not going to go into any real heavy details. Other than the fact that, you know, there's some things, you know, this does have a 6.5-inch Super Retina display with this custom built OLED panel. What else? It got the A12 Bionic chip, which is a real fancy way of saying that this is their best chip. It does have a 12 megapixel dual camera system. Takes portrait. It's supposed to be their next level portrait mode. I'll probably show you that in a later video. What else? Front facing camera, wireless charging. Does come with iOS 12, Bluetooth 5.0. All the good things that flagships come with today. I did get the 64 gigabyte variant. Didn't go all out. I use a lot of cloud storage. iPhone. Apple did cheap out on us with this model, and that's going to be pretty much the theme of the year. You pretty much got your stickers book. Apple stickers, nothing special. Got your iPhone. Boom. Silver, baby. Real nice. Got your regular charging brick, which should be a fast charging brick, but no problem. And got your standard headphones, charging cable, pretty much it. Nice. Now again, you pretty much, like I said, seen hundreds of these. So I'm going to real quickly show you a couple of comparisons to the other iPhone. All right, we're going to put up against the Note 9. From a size standpoint, the Note is a little taller. Let's see if the iPhone's wider. Just slightly more wider than the Note, but a little bit shorter. Supposed to share the same dimensions with the 8 Plus. It's a little narrower than the 8 Plus. The phone completely disappeared behind the 8 Plus. And we got last year's iPhone 10 next to it. And this is going to probably pretty much share the same dimensions as the 10 or the XS this year. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, get my stuff in, load it up, put my SIM card up in here, and use this phone along with the Note 9. Those are my two main phones that I pretty much run with most of the time. I'm gonna give you my opinion of what I think of the iPhone S. I'm predominantly more of an Android guy, but I do like Apple products. I do have Apple computers, iPads, and what have you. So you would think why I haven't really owned an iPhone. I pretty much just recently started getting into iPhones a few years ago, and I've acquired a respect and a little bit of a taste for them in general. And I'm not much of a, what you may say, a hater, as I probably may have been in the past when it came to dealing with Apple products. At one time, all my kids were heavy iPhone users, and I think I was probably the only Android user in the home, in my house. And I used to give them grief over the versatility and how cool Android phones are. But when I finally started using them, I kind of gained a healthy respect for the phone. And if you appreciate any type of technology or anything of that nature, it's only natural somewhere along the line that you would develop a respect for all tech, which is what I've done. Anyhow, if you like this video, the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out my channel for some more videos. And I catch everybody in the next one. I'm out.